Correct and suitable.
Do. Do. He was fined for driving without due care and attention.
When someone becomes very famous or powerful.
Rise. Rise. The movie charts his rise to power.
To become important, successful, or rich.
Rise. Rise. He quickly rose to stardom.
A seed or seeds from types of grass which are eaten as food.
Grain. Grain.
Grains of wheat or rice.
A list of television and radio programs showing how popular they are.
Rating. Rating. His show did well in the ratings.
Not much more or better.
Little. Little. She's little better than a thief.
When something changes from one system or method to another, often gradually.
Transition. Transition. The healthcare system is in transition at the moment.
To become involved in a situation which people want to be private.
Intrude. Intrude. I don't mean to intrude, but are you okay?
To join other people somewhere, to make a group, or to bring people together into a group.
Assemble. Assemble.
They assembled in the meeting room after lunch.
Similar in characteristics or quality.
near, near. My pocket knife is the nearest to a weapon that I have.
Something that is due to you is something that is owed to you or something you deserve.
Due, due. He didn't get the praise and recognition that was due to him.
The quality of being resilient.
Resilience, resilience. She had the resilience to try again.
If something goes against the grain, you would not normally do it because it would be unusual or morally wrong.
Grain, grain.
It goes against the grain to throw all this food away.
To build something by joining parts together.
Assemble, assemble.
Their furniture is easy to assemble.
Exactly correct.
Strict, strict. A strict translation of a text.
The planes or ships moving around an area.
Traffic, traffic.
Air traffic control.
Not intended to harm or upset anyone.
Innocent, innocent.
It was an innocent mistake.
A very small piece of something.
Grain, grain.
A grain of sand or sugar.
Almost in a particular state or condition.
Near, near. He came near to punching him.
If someone's attention or mind, etc. wanders, they start thinking about one subject when they should be thinking about a different subject.
Wander. Wander.
I was bored and my thoughts started to wander.
A very small amount of equality.
Grain. Grain.
There isn't a grain of truth in her story.
To cause something.
Rise. Rise. The bacteria live in the human body but do not give rise to any symptoms.
The quality of being sincere.
Sincerity. Sincerity. There was no doubting his sincerity.